Hey guys, I'm taking my kids on a quick weekend camping trip, and I thought I would make a quick little vlog just showing you how we pack for a weekend camping trip with the kids. It's just me and the kids. And the number one tip that I have is don't make it hard. If you spend a lot of time like packing, it shouldn't take you more than an hour to load up your vehicle and get out. Because if you make it a huge deal and it's really hard, you're not going to go very often. So keep it simple. So with that being said, I just laid everything out here. I'm just going to throw it in the pickup. It literally took me about 40 minutes to get everything together. Okay, so what I have here, okay, so here's what I have. What I do is I have this big Tupperware that I put all my food in. So this time, now I will say we have like more unhealthy snacks than we usually have because of the family reunion last weekend. We just have a bunch of snacks left over. So we do have some chips and stuff for s'mores, a couple granola bars, instant coffee, salt and pepper. And then breakfast, I'm gonna cook pancakes one morning. So I have some Kodiak Cakes pancake mix, some syrup. I bring some extra Ziploc bags. We have some paper plates and some silverware. And then I'm bringing my Camp Chef stove. And the other day we made pizzas here and I have a bunch of extra pizza dough. So I just brought the pizza, the rolling pin, the spatula deal, and we cook the pizza in. So then over here we have a little, I let the kids bring one game each. This was my little list that I wrote up. So I don't forget anything. I let the kids bring one game each. I have my GoPro, a little stereo deal, trash bag for trash. We have, normally I don't bring firewood, but I went camping with some friends and they bought this and it was left over. So normally we'll just get wood out of the forest. But my little water filter, tackle for fishing, and then I have our tent. Each of us have a sleeping bag. We have a little bag of clothes. I pack minimal clothes. I don't care. Like, it doesn't bother me if we wear the same thing every day when we're camping, so I don't get fancy with that. Here's my Camp Chef 50-gallon cooler that I have the pizza supplies and some corn that I bought that we need to eat. So food's gonna go in here. We're gonna have like water bottles and drinks in this cooler. I have a little table. Normally I pack some camping chairs, but I left them at a friend's house like a long time ago and I forgot to get them. Fishing poles. I have some White Claws for at night. Little camping roasting sticks, BB guns for the kids. We all have water shoes. I have some paper towels. The kids have life jackets, propane grill, stove, and then my 3-burner. And that's it. That's literally everything that we pack. So, Phoenix, you need to go put your water shoes on, okay? And the key is just making it really, really simple. Planning out, like if you see on that list, I kind of planned out my itinerary for the day, so I knew everything that we needed. And that's it. So I hope that's helpful. If you guys have any other specific questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll give you a little picture of the list if you can read my chicken scratch handwriting. So you guys are awesome. If you like videos like this, let me know by liking, subscribing, leaving a comment if you have any questions, and I'll do another video showing the actual camping trip itself. Talk with you later. I forgot to mention, the reason I like putting the food in that big Tupperware deal is because that way if it rains, everything's protected. So locked and loaded up, ready to go.